Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Come on, shine. And in this video, we'll discuss about Dryden's An Essay of Dramatic Poesy. This was very famous and very important in that point of view. Also, very important. So watch till the end and concentrate. But before going to the topic, I'd like you to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon by which you would be updated whatever I'll upload on my channel. And yeah, if you'd like my video and at the end, so please give me a thumbs up. Let's get started. So, Dryden's An Essay of Dramatic Poesy was probably written in 1666 during the closure of London theatres due to plague. It was published in 1688. The essay can be seen as a defense of drama as an art form. The essay is structured as a dialogue debate between four speakers: Eugenius, Critus, Lycidius, and Neander. These stand for William Davenant, Robert Howard, Roger Boyle, and Dryden respectively. The essay begins with a reference to a naval battle between the British and Dutch on 3rd June 1665 in the English Channel. Four speakers, and these four speakers observed this battle from a barge floating on Thames. After the battle gets over and the English Navy wins, the four speakers begin discussing English drama. Eugenius literally means a well born genius. The name Eugenius, Eugenius, this means a well born genius. He favors the moderns over the ancient, arguing that the moderns have excelled over the ancients because of having learned and profited from their example. And the name Critus comes from the Greek word critic, or one who is able to express a reasoned judgment on something. Okay, this Critus means critic. He argues in favor of the ancient and applauds the observance of the three unities in drama. Okay, he considers Ben Jonson as the greatest English playwright because he followed the ancients' example by adhering the unities. Okay, and then comes Lycidius. This name Lycidius is probably based on the royal emblem of France, the fleur de lis. He argues in favor of the modern day French playwrights. He believes that French drama is superior to English drama because of their adherence to the classical unities, because of their focus on one plot and one character, and because of their use of narrations. And then comes Neander. And this Neander literally means the new man. New man. He favors the moderns, but does not disparage the ancients. He states that the English are best at the lively imitation of nature, human nature, conceding that while French poesy is beautiful, it is also lifeless like a statue. He critiques the barrenness of the French plots and praises the variety and copiousness of the English plays. Ninder also goes on to defend the genre of tragic comedy since it increases the effectiveness of both tragic and comic elements by way of contrast. He indicates his preference for Shakespeare over Ben Jonson. Shakespeare had the largest and most comprehensive soul, while Jonson was the most learned and judicious writer which any theatre ever had. Before Dryden, the English had no native criticism on drama actually. Dryden's essay thus breaks new ground and makes serious efforts to develop a theory of drama by discussing ancient, contemporary French and English drama and by comparing the works of various individual English dramatists and the foreign dramatists. So, all these things were about Dryden's An Essay of Dramatic Poesy. Okay, but adding to this, I would like you to be acquainted with his more works, major works also. So, his major works, The Indian Emperor, this was the tragedy published in 1665. Annus Mirabilis, this was the poems published in 1667. The Enchanted Island Comedy, this was the comedy published in 1667, and this was an adaptation with William D. Devant, whatever you want to pronounce it, of Shakespeare's The Tempest. Okay, and then comes Secret Love or The Maiden Queen. This is also published in 1667, and then an essay of dramatic poesy that I discussed before, published in 1668. Then an love. Evening's Love. This was the comedy 1668. In this year it was published. And then Tyrannic Love. This was the tragedy published in 1669. And then The Conquest of Granada. It was published in 1670. Then Marriage à la Mode, published in 1672. Orange, published in 1675. All for Love, published in 1678. Oedipus, it was the heroic drama, published in 1679, and this was an adaptation which Nathaniel Lee of Sophocles' Oedipus. Okay, and then Absalom and Achitophel. Absalom and Achitophel. Okay, it was published in 1681. And then The Maiden. It was published in 1682. Trinodia Augustalis. It was published in 1685. Then comes A Song for Saint Cecilia Day. This was published in 1687. Then comes Amphitryon. This was published in 1690. Then comes Don Sebastian. It was also published in 1690. Then comes Love Triumphant. This was published in 1694. Then comes The Works of Virgil. This was published in 1697. Then comes Alexander's Feast. This was published in 1697. Then comes Fables Ancient and Moderns. It was published in 1700. So, this was all about Dryden and his An Essay of Dramatic Poesy. I hope you liked it. But in my next video, I'll discuss more about Dryden. So, you need to go deeply to his biography and his literary work, his literary career. So be there, stay tuned with me, because in my next video I'll discuss more about John Dryden. Okay, take care, bye, and his works, more works also. Take care, bye, and keep loving literature, of course, me. And yeah, if you liked my video, so please make sure to hit the bell icon and give me a thumbs up if you really did. Bye bye.